The Osmo Pocket 3 costs around $500, while the Sony A6400 with the Sigma 16mm 1.4 lens is $1,500 or more. That's a huge price difference. But does the A6400 justify the extra cost, or is the Osmo Pocket 3 a better value? Today we're comparing video quality, stabilization, autofocus, low light performance, and even some features that might make the Osmo Pocket the better pick for certain creators. So let's get into it. When I first started YouTube 4 years ago, the Sony A6400 was the most recommended camera for new content creators. But at half the price, the Osmo Pocket 3 is making a compelling argument to become the new go-to camera. First, let's talk about the size and portability. The Osmo Pocket 3 is an all-around in-one camera with a built-in gimbal, making it compact and easy to carry. It literally fits in your pocket, making it ideal for travel, vlogging, or running gun shooting. It also features a USB-C port, which actually can be used to connect any USB-compatible mic, and can be used to connect your camera to your computer to be used as a webcam, which we'll talk about a little bit more later on in the video. The A6400, being a mirrorless camera, requires interchangeable lenses that gives you more control over image quality, but adds bulk. If portability is key, the Osmo is the obvious winner. But if you need professional versatility, the A6400 gives you more flexibility. Unfortunately, the A6400 uses the dated micro USB for charging and data transfer. One of the biggest upgrades in the Osmo Pocket 3 is its 1-inch sensor, a major step up from its predecessor. The Sony A6400, on the other hand, has an APS-C sensor, which is even bigger. A bigger sensor normally means better dynamic range, better low light performance, and more depth of field. Both cameras shoot 4K video, but let's break down the frame rates. The Osmo Pocket 3 can shoot 4K at up to 120 frames per second for smooth slow motion. The Sony A6400 maxes out at 4K 30, but can do 1080p at 120. That means if you want 4K slow motion, the Osmo is the only option here. Both cameras offer log color profiles, which give you more control over color grading and post-production. The Osmo Pocket 3 includes D-Log-M, which retains more highlights and shadow details. The Sony A6400 has the S-Log2 and S-Log3, which provide even more flexibility, but require more advanced color grading. If you prefer to shoot and upload without much editing, the Osmo's color science gives a great image right out of the camera. But if you love tweaking your footage in post, the A6400's log profiles provide more range. This is where the Osmo Pocket 3 shines. It has a built-in 3-axis gimbal, meaning your footage stays smooth even when you're walking or running. The A6400 doesn't have in-body stabilization, so you'll need to either grab a stabilized lens or some type of external gimbal. This is an example of what the Osmo Pocket 3 looks like in its stabilization. Walking, running. And this is the A6400. Again, this camera has no stabilization, no in-body or lens stabilization. So this is an example of how it looks walking. This is how it looks running. If handheld shooting is your priority, the Osmo makes it effortless. Sony is known for its lightning fast autofocus, and the A6400 has a real-time eye tracking and subject detection, making it one of the best cameras in its price range for keeping autofocus locked. However, the Osmo Pocket 3 has product showcase mode, which is a feature typically found in Sony's ZV series. This allows the camera to instantly shift focus from your face to a product when you hold it up. Perfect for YouTubers and reviewers. The A6400 doesn't have this feature natively. A bigger sensor usually means better low light performance, and the Sony A6400's APS-C sensor gives it an edge here. It captures more light, resulting in cleaner footage with less noise. The Osmo Pocket 3 with its 1-inch sensor still does a solid job, but it struggles a little bit in darker conditions. Let's compare both cameras in a dimly lit room and at night to see how it handles the shadows and noise. Now, this is an example of what the Osmo Pocket 3 looks like in extreme low light conditions. Now, this is an example of what the Sony A6400 looks like in extreme low light conditions. Good video needs good audio. So let's compare the built-in microphones. This is audio from the onboard mic on the Osmo Pocket 3. This is audio from the onboard mic on the Sony A6400. For serious content creators, using the external mic is always the way to go. If you get the creator combo, the Osmo comes with the DJI wireless lav and can pair up to 2 mics. With the A6400, you have a mic input, so you'll have plenty of options when it comes to audio. Another huge difference is how these cameras work as webcams. The Osmo Pocket 3 can be plugged in directly via USB Type-C and works as a webcam instantly. No extra software or accessories needed. The Sony A6400 requires a separate capture card to be used as a webcam, adding extra costs and setup time. If you need a simple plug-and-play solution for Zoom calls, streaming, or virtual meetings, the Osmo is the clear winner. So, which camera is the better choice? If you need an ultra-portable, all-in-one camera with built-in stabilization, 4K slow motion, and plug-and-play webcam features, and product showcase mode, the Osmo Pocket 3 is a fantastic option. It's perfect for vlogging, travel, and quick content creation. But if you want better image quality, lens flexibility, superior low light performance, and more control over color grading, the Sony A6400 is a better long-term investment, especially for serious filmmakers and content creators. If I was a new creator and picking my first camera, I would definitely choose the Osmo Pocket 3. It's clearly a better all-around option that has multiple use cases. The A6400 is still a fantastic camera, but Sony has since come out with several cameras at this price point that I probably would prefer over this one. Let me know in the comments which one you pick and why. And if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. The links for both cameras will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.